just received this vinyl record player stand, and this is part one of the video. This is how it came. It was very well packed, all kinds of stuffing in it. I've taken it out and I've laid it on the table so that we'll be able to put it together. This is the best thing you could possibly do when you get something new, is you want to lay it down with all of the markings that they put on it, and put the book, get the book out and start going through the book and make sure that you have everything that you need. The manual looks very well written. See, and I'm going to go through all of this, and they're all marked. It says B, C, D, E, I, F, G, H, okay? And so I'm going to go in and make sure, the very first thing you do is make sure that you have everything that is supposed to be here to put it together, okay? This is part one. So I've got it all out, I've laid it all out. Like I said, it all came packed in that one box. I was very impressed. Nicely done. So I'm going to put it all together and show you what it looks like when it's done.